What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Blue. And I know it's been a minute since I posted, a couple weeks. I had a couple things going on as far as at work things switching around, so I haven't been able to post. But I've still been trading, not as much due to work too. But we about to get back into this because I done got things worked out. So for this video, we got a live trade and we got a recap for the day for the rest of the trades that I took after that trade. At the end of the video, I'm gonna have the $50 winner for the video for the getting the 50 subscribers, and I'll show you who won the 50 bucks for the drawing. If you like this type of content with the live trades and everything, let me know in the comments. Hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for me. And if you want to be notified whenever I go post a video, hit that little bell on the subscribe button next to the subscribe button. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So I got this thing started late, and it is 9:31, and I'm looking for the push down to 34.31. Let's see if it can get down there and fill me. But what I was looking at was I wanted it to either to dump out to the up under the 34.31 or around 34.31 and maybe come all the way down to get that double bottom to see if I can get long and ride it up to VWAP. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna put an order up at around 34.40 around the VWAP to try to short it since it is under. But we're gonna see if we can catch this to see if we can get long. So we'll wait for a second. It's got down there twice. It ain't touched me yet. So it look like it want to push all the way back up. So let's get an order out here. See if we can get filled up at 34.40. Oh, I ain't put it on. Let me put this order on. I'm tripping. I don't know why I had that trailing stop on there for some reason. And I add if it get up to 34.43 and try to catch the pullback. That red line up there, or the purple line, I'm sorry, is the gap fill line. So if it got up there, that's where around there I wanted to get up there and pull back down. So that's where I would at. That's why I got the 34.43, trying to get in front of it. So let's see if we can get this to pull back to what we get in at 40. So we'll go down to 33 and put our exit down at 33 if we get down there. It's closed. Come on, get me out of this. Come on, baby. Come to daddy. It just got right down there to me. If this thing don't take me out, I think I'm gonna take it off at break even. I don't want to hold it and it's go against me. So let's see. I'm checking the MACD Yeah, it's looking like it's holding up some. It came right up over me to where it could have filled me and took me out. I should have had it at 34.34 for real. I'm tripping. I done put it in the wrong area. I would have been taken out. So yeah. I don't like where this going. Yeah, see. Let me go ahead, start looking to maybe exit. I don't like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out about break even. So we gonna see what we can get and see if we can get something else. And I'll be back at it once I see if I could get something else or a recap of my day. All right. So I took a few more trades today after this first one, which I ended up taking it off, and it made this big candle and got down to where I initially wanted to take it off at anyways, but I didn't leave it on, so I ended up waiting until it pushed up, and I took a short, and I was shorting against this gap fill area because I was going to add up here. Well, no, I'm sorry. I went long. I was longing up over this. I did play against this or with this, but this was a later trade. But on this one, I went long, and I was risking for the break and close of a candle below the VWAP and the 20 MA. That's why I added right here, because if it would have closed under here, I would have just took it off, and it ended up pushing back up. I took one contract off up here, and I put in a $5 trailing stop, and it got stopped out. So then on the second trade, we got this right here, consolidation, and I took a short inside the consolidation off of this line right here, this resistance line. So I had it stop out up here, but if I would have left it as the close like I should have and waited for it to close, I would have ended up in the position and ended up right as it pulled back. But I ended up taking a loss on it. So then I took a long off of, once it pulled through here, held VWAP, and then it reclaimed this gap fill line, this purple line, and I ended up taking it off up under VWAP. So I took a loss on this one, and I took a loss on this one, but I was still up because of this trade, and this trade wasn't that much, couple dollars. So then I just waited, and I started taking, I seen it make a higher low right here, so I said I was going to take a position on the pullback to this area, and I grabbed one contract, and then I grabbed another one down here at the 20, and I was going to take it off if it held up under this, and ended up taking one off here and taking one off back at the gap fill area. And so then after all of this movement, or this push up, this pull back, and I thought that it was about to pull back down to VWAP, so I took a position just to try to get a scalp down to VWAP, and once it broke out up, I took it off for a small loss. All my losses were probably like $15, $20, something like that. So then after all of this push and everything, and I seen that this candle got stuffed, so I took a short, and I was risking I was risking 71, and I got in at 67, so I was risking like 4 points, and I wanted to add if it got up to 70 actually, but it didn't get back up there, and I took it off down here after this candle dumped out and this started holding. So I just went on here and got out. It came back down, but that was all the trades I ended up taking. And today I ended up making 121.25. And those are the trades that I took for the day. So we're going to go ahead and pick this winner from this $50 giveaway that I put on this SPY Options Iron Condor for you to drop a comment leaving your Cash App. So let me go ahead, go into pick a winner, choose from all the comments. It's got to have the Cash App in it for it to be eligible. So Jay Taylor, you the winner. You should wake up with $50 in your account if you're asleep. And congratulations. So let me go ahead and shoot that over to you. And Jay Taylor, make sure you leave a comment saying that you got it down in the comments on the next on this video. And if y'all like the content, make sure y'all drop a like, hit that subscribe button. And if y'all got any other suggestions or questions, leave them in the comments and I'll make sure I get to them. And congratulations again, Jay Taylor. You the winner for the drawing. And I'll shoot that right over to you. And we'll talk to you all later.